Enterprises are working rapidly to digitally transform and accelerate innovation, deliver new customer experiences, and to improve operational efficiency. And a big part of that journey is instrumenting every interaction with their businesses, from e-commerce to social media to the real-world experiences captured as Internet of Things IoT sensors. This digital transformation has created a greater need for performance, efficiency, and the demand for high-performance computing, HPC, and AI to handle these workloads. HPC operations will accelerate this transformation by improving accuracy and timeliness in weather forecasting and climate studies. It enhances efficiency and productivity in the energy sector, such as oil and gas, by reservoir simulation and seismic exploration. There are many other industries where HPC can make a significant difference. As a result, these workloads generate large volumes of data. To make sense of this massive amounts of new data, many organizations leverage machine learning and deep learning, powerful components of AI, artificial intelligence, to analyze the information and derive actionable responses at lightning speeds. AI methodologies are new and increasing in adoption, and the computing requirements to deliver them are very demanding. As AI continues to be adopted, we're going to need new server platforms that embrace technical computing hardware and software technologies to be the backbone of these mission-critical workloads. Enter the HPE Apollo 6500 Gen 10 Plus, the next generation of HPE's purpose-built accelerator-intensive systems designed to provide customers the performance and flexibility to power these new data-intensive workloads and workflows. Like the previous generation product, the Apollo 6500 Gen 10, the Gen 10 Plus version supports both NVIDIA NVLink integrated GPUs as well as standard PCIe-based accelerator options from multiple vendors. In particular, HPE has closely partnered with AMD on the Apollo 6500 Gen 10 Plus and will now pair new AMD Radeon Instinct GPUs with its second-generation EPYC processors. This unique combination of CPU and GPU architectures from AMD is expected to deliver the world record-setting processing power these workloads need. The Apollo 6500 Gen 10 Plus can house up to 10 double-wide AMD Radeon graphics processing units, GPUs, and it has a capacity for up to 16 PCIe GPUs total. This system has been designed so that this new flexible infrastructure can support multiple GPU generations and a variety of CPU compute trays and accelerator trays in a modular chassis. The use of accelerators like GPUs enhances parallel processing alongside the single or dual second-generation EPYC processors. This allows heavy compute workloads to be spread across the two types of processors, increasing efficiency. Additionally, this boost in parallel processing power means the system is perfectly equipped to carry out the machine learning and deep learning AI tasks we mentioned before. Machine learning typically is used on more structured data sets, while deep learning is primarily used on unstructured data sets. Both use algorithms to look for and recognize correlations and patterns in video, text, images, and audio. The computational exercises used in this process let the computer begin to mimic the human brain. This is known as neural networks, which require extreme parallel processing performance to create and train these networks for specific tasks. These tasks can range from cloud-based applications like suggesting products to individual shoppers based off their buying habits, to edge computing applications like the instantaneous decision-making you'd find in self-driving cars. There are even promising new use cases for large industries like manufacturing, energy, finance, and life sciences. However, different customers might have different needs outside of AI. This is where the customization options available on the Apollo 6500 come into play. Customers not only have the flexibility to adjust the unit's GPU and CPU capabilities, but they also have their choice of enterprise OS, power, cooling, and support options to custom-fit standards. For example, a rack of air-cooled 6500 systems draws 40 kilowatts, taxing facility air to the limit or beyond. To help customers, HPE offers the 6500 with HPE factory-deployed and configured rack-level solutions using liquid cooling for customers without sufficient air handling. No matter which configuration a customer may choose, each Apollo 6500 system is backed by HPE's reliable, available, and secure RAS support. Our silicon root of trust and integrated lights out ILO offers bar-none security. N+N redundant power and hot-swappable fans allow for easy, uninterrupted support. All this support means that instead of worrying about troubleshooting and diagnosing, you can instead focus on what matters. We are at the dawn of a new era of high-performance computing technologies, AI, and analytics techniques running in every data center. HPE Apollo systems are built from the ground up to meet this new era head-on and to deliver the supercomputing power that is now required by every data center. For more information, contact your HPE representative or visit hpe.com/servers/Apollo 6500.